little trip, my supersonic ship's at your disposal if you feel so inclined. Well, alright. We're gonna travel faster than light, so do up your overcoat tight, and we'll go anywhere you want to decide. Well, alright.
Happy Saturday.
Hello.
Brett and Amy Powell with Keller Williams
Olympic
Realty, and we are realtors.
Not realtors.
Yeah, and you'd never say docator, so it's realtor. Nobody cares, we know.
They all say realtor. We
had a president of our association say realtor. We couldn't break him. Anyway. So what we do every week, we bring to you the homes in Port Angeles and Sequim and the outlying areas that have closed in the last 7 days. And we kind of give you the rundown, and our producer Logan will put up a picture from the county. Sometimes these pictures are older. The homes, most cases, have been remodeled and look better than the pictures do. So if you're wondering if that home sold for how much, well, that's part of the reason.
Yeah. And you might get a glimpse of Winnie. She's running around and catching balls that Logan throws while the camera runs.
Yeah. So the intro, you want to?
The intro is Deer Park Road goes up into the mountains at the very end, and that was the original entrance to Hurricane Ridge. It is steep. It's narrow drive.
We've not been up there, have we really? Have you been up there?
No.
No, we haven't been there.
I know the road is narrow.
That's what Logan says.
Anyway.
Windy, no guardrails.
Windy, no guardrails. Wow.
Yeah. So if you're from the Midwest, don't go there.
Yeah. Anyway, Logan went camping there, and this is some video that he took.
Yeah. And we are, myself and hopefully my two young men, I was going to say two boys, but they're both fully grown adults, are going camping there this week. So,
yay!
Anyway,
I get the day off.
Yeah, she needs it more than I do. From me, actually, it's like. Okay, so here we go. You want to get started? We have not a lot today. Just 9. We had 27 last week.
Something hideous.
Holy cow!
We have so these are the ones that are marked sold this last week. If the agent that was the listing agent did not change that from active to listing, I don't know about it. So this is what we have to go
from active to listing
for under contract to
sold.
Yeah.
That makes more sense.
Okay. So there's only 9. It's 5 in Port Angeles.
Yeah. So just a disclaimer, I'm wearing Amy's generic glasses. That's why my head looks too wide.
But he can still read, so.
Well, barely. So I may be doing this because I've got my tinted glasses. It makes me look like a drug dealer. So we'll see how this goes.
Okay, you start.
Okay. The first one is on Myrtle Street. And these are in Port Angeles. Then we'll shift over to Sequim in a bit. And originally priced for $150,000, sold for $155,000. Has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 days on the market, built in 1986 with 1,390 square feet, and they have a mountain view.
Cool, on 0.27 of an acre.
Yeah, awesome.
I'm embarrassed.
There's that acreage. Okay.
Yeah. So the second house in Port Angeles is on Alder Lane. Down at the bottom of the S curves, you go one way to Four Seasons Park. That is towards the mountains, and the ranch is to the water. This one's in Park, and originally listed for $285,000. It sold for $275,000. It was very small, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 67 days on the market. Had 601 square feet. It'll be smaller than the magnificent alley house. Built in 2018 on 0.31 and it abuts the river.
Yeah, nice little area. And our next home is on East Bluff Drive, and that's obviously east of town. Nice area, kind of overlooks. Well, it's up on the high bluff, so you can look out and get a view of the water many times.
Yeah.
Originally priced for $375,000, sold for $360,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 31 days on the market. Built in 1987 with 1,400 square feet, 0.26 of an acre, and they have a saltwater view.
All right, the fourth house in Port Angeles is on East 10th Street. East 10th. That is between here and Ennis. Originally listed for $475,000. It sold for $454,000, $21,000 less. 3 bedroom, 2.5 baths, 43 days on the market. Built in 1964. 1990 square feet on 0.2 of an acre, saltwater and mountain view. And for some reason, Logan keeps throwing the ball to Winnie. That's the snorting. That's not Brenda. It's the dog that's snorting.
Although, yeah, I snort later in the day.
Yeah, during the naps. Okay, last one
Okay.
for Port Angeles
All right.
on Deer Park.
There. Trying to focus. There it is. This is on Deer Park Road. Originally priced for $549,900 and sold for $544,900. And $5,000 less. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. 7 days on the market. Built in 1988 with 1,152 square feet and a little over 8 acres. And they have a mountain view. Cool.
So 2 1-bedrooms
Yeah.
on this list so
Small
far.
house. This is a little bigger than that other one.
Yeah, but anyway,
Now
people
over to
want the land.
Sequim.
Old Goat Lane is our first one. Originally listed for $465,000, it sold for $425,000, $40,000 less. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Oh, I remember this house. 53 days on the market, built in 2017, with 1,575 square feet on 1.2 acres.
Somehow I think,
In a mountain view. It's a manufactured.
yeah, the name is not about an animal.
Old Goat Lane.
Yeah.
Maybe some old guy.
Yeah, I know. Who talks about an old goat, even if it's not a guy?
I don't know.
Okay. Next one is on Hawthorne Court in Sequim. Originally priced at $525,000, sold at that price. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 6 days on the market, built in 2021, and has 1,495 square feet. And small lot, yeah, 0.11 of an acre. And they have a neighborhood view, which basically means no view, except you can see the house across the street.
When the fog isn't there. Okay.
Fog.
What else is going to get between you and the...
I don't think they have fog in Sequim, do they? Okay. Okay.
The next house in Sequim is on Snowbell Court. Originally listed for $565,000, and that's what it sold for. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 0 days on the market. Hot property there. 2019 was the year it was built. 1,760 square feet on 0.13 of an acre. Saltwater and mountain view.
Okay.
Snowbell Court.
The last home today in our cavalcade of closed homes is on Happy Valley Road. I've often wondered why they call it Happy Valley. Bunch of old hippies out there? I don't know. Too much
Maybe
weed?
they grow weed, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a beautiful area, Happy Valley. I just love that area. And and originally priced for $995,000, sold at asking. And it's a nice home, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 1/2 bath, 6 days on the market, built in 1973. Large place, gosh, 3,926.
There you go, you zoom in and out like this.
Yeah, I know, there it is, 26 square feet. And my eyes are watering and it's blurring it even more.
Why? Are you crying?
No, I'm moved. Yeah, 15 acres, saltwater and mountain view. So excuse me for just a minute.
Okay. So
Something else. Okay. Why don't you give us the summary?
I'll give
because
you the summary.
I'll try to find my other glasses.
So I went back 30 days just because this week was weird. And in Port Angeles, in the last 30 days, there were 44 homes sold. The average list price was $460 and change. The average sold was $459, a difference of only $1,300 basically between the list and the sold, and the days on market was 27. So it's a tight market right there.
Yeah.
Very tight. Sequim in the last 30 days had 58 homes sold, just under 2 a day, which is crazy little. The average list price was $604, and the average sold was $594. So a difference of about $9,000. So they're a little more optimistic on the pricing, and reality sets them in at $594. Anyway, and the average 29 days on the market was the average. So
Cool.
there you have it.
So we are inching toward 300 subscribers. So if you have been enjoying our videos and you just haven't quite pushed, what is a button?
Subscribe.
Yeah. If we can get up, once we hit 300, like we're 390 or 296, but let's get it over 300. So then we're going to have another giveaway of a Logan pouch. And that's always fun. Basically, we pick a number between 1 and 1,000. And whoever gets the number closest to it gets the pouch. And of course, we'd have to have you send us your address, and
we do the details.
Yeah, we do the details, but we don't put you on a mailing list. Where you're sick of hearing from us. So we just.
Okay, now my turn to talk.
Yeah.
So we asked last week if we should keep the house or not, and there was an overwhelming. Every single person said keep it. So
keep the house. We like the house.
The bird house. I don't know if is it a bird house. Is there a hole?
There is right
Okay.
here. But
Yeah.
Is there anything in there? I don't know.
No. Anyway, so we're keeping the house.
Yeah.
Sorry, Pauline.
That's our good friend Pauline.
She thought we should ditch it.
Yeah. So our little house that we're building in the alley, making progress. We got the crawl space dug out, and now we will pour the foundation next week.
Stem wall, is that?
No, you pour
cement comes next week.
Yeah, I think you pour the footing first. I mean, you guys, a lot of you guys know this. I've never built a house before, and I'm not really building this one, but somebody who knows is. So I guess you pour the footing, and then you pour the stem wall, and it's going to be little. It'll be, 620 square feet?
30.
630. So anyway, have a great week. It's been good to be with you again, and for all of you.
This is the weekend of the grand opening of the Performing Arts Center.
Yeah,
so
and we're going
to ride our bikes down there.
Haven't seen Roger and Pam quite a bit for recently.
Maybe they'll come to the opening.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Usually we run into you guys at Costco or Sunny Farms, but
Yeah.
have a great week, and we'll see you back in a week.